Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I drawn this. So, what I've done right here, made a Among Us shoe. It used to just be a white shoe, but I colored it and stuff. So right here we have a little imposter, and then we have the red and blue strings. On this side, we have the imposter logo, and there's a blue around it. And then on the other side, we have the crewmate logo with red around it. And then right here for the strings, they're red and blue. Got black on the sides. The tongue is red and blue. And that's basically it on the shoe. So, I found my other one. So, I'll show you guys what that used to look like. What that shoe used to look like. It used to just look boring. So, oh guys, I'm watching Omegle. This is what it used to be. And I have a lot of colors right here. And so I'm going to be coloring this. And if you guys are wondering what I wear a size 2. Wait. On my screen it looks like a 3. It's actually 2 for you guys. So all I really need is these colors. That's all you really need. If you guys want to copy me, that is so okay. So if you guys are copying me, you need a blue marker, any blue marker you could find. A black marker, I'm using a Sharpie though. And a red marker. Any red marker. Use any markers that you have that are these colors. So, I'll see you guys whenever I'm done. So, see you guys in a minute. Peace. Sorry. Oh guys, and I forgot. If you guys don't have one of these, that is okay. But I use the black. I don't know, but I use the black to write imposter on the side. But the imposter's gonna vent on this one, so see you guys in a second. Peace. See you guys in a minute, I guess. Oh, and guys, sorry, but if you guys don't color yet because you guys just need a green. Sorry. If you messed up, I am so sorry. It's my mistake. If you guys messed up, it's my mistake because I didn't tell you guys that you guys needed to use green. So sorry if you guys messed up. It's all my fault. Alright, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm done. This is what it came out as. And the eye we have the sea, we have this, the imposter. I said the imposter was going to vent, but then I was like, oh, no, I'm not going to say, oh, shoot. So it was like, you know what, screw it. I'm just gonna go with it. So these are the shoes that I just colored. So, oh, I forgot something. The tongues. Guys, I'm sorry, but my nose is bleeding. I'm gonna have to cut it right here. I have to cut it right here. Sorry, guys. See you guys. So guys, I will hit you guys back up whenever my nose stops bleeding. See you guys. My nose is bleeding and feel like there's nothing, but on this one there is. So I will hit you guys back up whenever it stops. So, love you guys.